Freshwater mussels are far more fascinating and complex than their rock-like appearance suggests. They are essentially ancient, self-cleaning biological filters that have stabilized the riverbeds for millions of years. Here is the deep dive into their biology, their hidden lifestyle, and how they can be saved. The anatomy of a filter. Mussels don't just sit there, they are constantly processing their environment through a sophisticated internal system. The siphons, they have two openings. The incurrent siphon pulls in water filled with oxygen, organic matter, and pollutants. The excurrent siphon expels clean, filtered water. The gills, their gills are multi-purpose. They extract oxygen, trap food particles like bacteria and microalgae. And in females, act as a brood pouch for their larvae. Let's have a muscular foot. They step or drag themselves across the redder bottom or anchor themselves deep in the substrate to survive floods. To get the fish close enough, mussels have evolved lures. Some mussels have a mantle flap that looks exactly like a minnow, a crayfish, or even a worm. When a predatory fish strikes the lure, the mussel releases its water directly into the fish's lure. Many mussels are host-specific. If the specific species of fish they need, like a smallmouth bass or a gourmet, disappears from the ruin, the nympha will go extinct, even if the water is clean. Why they are dying? Siltation. Construction and farming runoff creates silt that settles on the river bottom. Since mussels are stationary, they can literally be buried alive or have their delicate siphons clogged by mud. Dams block the host fish from moving. If the fish can't reach the mussels life cycle is broken forever. Chemical sensitivity in the coal mine. They are extremely sensitive to ammonia and chromium. Because they filter so much water, they bioaccumulate toxins faster than almost any other creature. How to save them? From global to local. Saving mussels is about protecting the integrity of the water rather than just the animal itself. Direct conservation actions. Protect the host fish, support local fisheries, and remove obsolete dams or irregular diverse fish populations is the only way mussels can reproduce. Buffer strips. If you live near water or work in land management, planting riparian buffers prevents silt and chemicals from washing into the water. Check your runoff. Reducing the use of lawn fertilizers and pesticides, especially those containing copper or high nitrogen, prevents the chemical burns that kill mussel colonies downstream. Support mussel hatcheries. Scientists are now breeding mussels in labs. They infest host fish. It was larvae in tanks. Collect the microscopic juvenile mussels when they drop off. Grow them in protected cages until they are large enough to survive in the wild. Support organizations like the Freshwater Mollusk Conservation Society or state-run fish and wildlife hatcheries that specialize in mussel propagation. Citizen science. Don't move them. If you find a mussel while waiting, leave it. Many species are federally protected and moving them can dislodge it from their feeding position. Use apps like our Master List to log where you see mussels. This data helps biologists map healthy colonies that need protection. A mussel's eye in perspective. Imagine a creature that lives for 100 years, stays in the exact same square foot of a river, and spends every second of that century cleaning the water for every other species. That is the freshwater mussel.